Not every beautiful garden border needs to be filled with colorful flowers. Sometimes the most elegant landscapes rely on rich green foliage to create texture, depth, and a calm natural look. In this video, we're exploring 7 lush green plants that are perfect for garden borders and can make your landscape feel fuller and more refined. Number 1. Hakone Grass. Hakone Grass is one of the most graceful foliage plants you can add to a garden border. Its arching green blades cascade gently outward, creating a soft, flowing effect that almost looks like a miniature waterfall of foliage. This elegant form instantly adds movement and texture to the garden without relying on bold flowers. One of the reasons gardeners love Hakone Grass is its ability to thrive in partially shaded areas, where many border plants struggle. It grows slowly into a dense, tidy mound that requires very little maintenance. Once established, it simply returns each year with fresh growth, maintaining its beautiful shape throughout the season. In the landscape, Hakone Grass works best along the front of shaded borders or along pathways where its graceful foliage can spill naturally over edges. When paired with hostas, ferns, or other woodland plants, it helps create a layered border that feels calm, lush, and professionally designed. Number 2. Japanese Forest Fern. Japanese forest fern is a classic foliage plant that brings a lush woodland feel to garden borders. Its finely divided fronds emerge with a bronze tint in spring before maturing into rich green foliage. This subtle color transition adds seasonal interest while maintaining the soothing green palette that makes foliage gardens so appealing. Ferns like this are incredibly reliable in shaded landscapes. They thrive in moist, well-drained soil and rarely require special care beyond occasional watering during dry periods. Over time, the plant forms a dense clump of foliage that fills space beautifully while keeping the border looking soft and natural. In garden design, Japanese forest fern works best in the middle layer of shaded borders. Combined with plants like Hosta, Heuchera, or Brunnera, it helps create a full and textured planting that mimics the layered structure of a natural forest floor. Number 3. Boxwood. Boxwood is one of the most dependable evergreen plants for creating structure in garden borders. Its small, glossy leaves form dense, rounded shrubs that provide a clean and polished look throughout the year. While many border plants fade in winter, boxwood continues to anchor the garden with steady green form. This shrub has long been favored by landscape designers because of its versatility and reliability. It tolerates pruning well, adapts to a range of garden conditions, and grows slowly enough to maintain a tidy shape without constant trimming. Its evergreen foliage ensures that the border never feels empty, even in colder months. In the landscape, boxwood works beautifully as edging or as repeating structure along garden borders. Planted in groups or low hedges, it provides a strong visual framework that allows softer plants like grasses and perennials to shine around it. Number 4. Heuchera Green Spice. Heuchera Green Spice is a beautiful foliage perennial that adds subtle detail and texture to garden borders. Its rounded leaves display a soft green surface, highlighted by delicate silver tones and darker green veining. The effect is refined and elegant, making it an excellent plant for adding visual interest without overwhelming the border. Heuchera is valued for its adaptability and low-maintenance nature. It grows well in partial shade and tolerates a range of soil conditions as long as drainage is good. Once established, it forms compact mounds of foliage that stay attractive through much of the growing season. In the landscape, green spice works best toward the front of shaded or partially shaded borders. Its tidy size allows it to blend easily with ferns, hostas, and other foliage plants, while helping create a layered and textured garden design. Number 5. Carex Everillo. Carex Everillo is a graceful ornamental sedge that brings soft movement to garden borders. Its arching blades form a flowing mound of foliage that gently spreads outward, creating a relaxed and natural appearance. Although the leaves often carry a golden tone, the plant still contributes beautifully to lush foliage plantings. One of the reasons gardeners love Everillo is its easygoing nature. It adapts well to both sun and partial shade and requires very little maintenance once established. Unlike many grasses, it keeps a neat shape throughout the season and rarely becomes invasive. In garden borders, Carex Everillo works wonderfully along the front edge, where its arching foliage can soften hard lines and create a sense of movement. It pairs especially well with hostas, ferns, and Heuchera, helping form a rich, layered foliage border. Number 6. Brunnera Alexander's Great. Brunnera Alexander's Great is a bold foliage plant that quickly becomes a focal point in shaded borders. Its large heart-shaped leaves feature a striking silver overlay with green veins, creating a dramatic yet soothing texture. In spring, small blue flowers appear above the foliage, adding a delicate seasonal highlight. Beyond its beauty, this plant is also valued for its durability in shade gardens. It thrives in cool, moist soil and spreads gradually into a full clump that fills space naturally. Once established, it requires very little maintenance and continues to improve each year. In the landscape, Alexander's Great works best in the middle of shade borders, where its large leaves can contrast with finer textures, like ferns or grasses. The bold foliage helps anchor the design while maintaining a lush woodland feel. Number 7. Hosta Empress Wu. Hosta Empress Wu is one of the most impressive foliage plants you can grow in a shaded garden border. Known for its enormous leaves, this hosta can create a dramatic presence that instantly fills space with rich green texture. The large, deeply veined foliage gives the plant a powerful architectural look. Despite its size, this hosta is surprisingly easy to grow. It thrives in shade, tolerates cool climates well, and simply needs consistent moisture to stay lush and healthy. Over time, it forms a massive clump that becomes a true anchor plant in the garden. In the landscape, Empress Wu works best toward the back of shaded borders, where its large leaves can provide strong structure behind smaller plants. Paired with ferns, Brunnera, or ornamental grasses, it helps create a layered border that feels full, balanced, and richly green. Lush green foliage can be just as powerful as colorful flowers when designing beautiful garden borders. By combining plants with different textures and shapes, you can create a layered landscape that feels calm, natural, and full of life. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which foliage plant you'd add to your garden border.